Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and effective way to prevent sharing your information with partners on the Pinterest app for PC, especially with the latest update. Protecting your privacy has never been more important, so let's get started. First, open the Pinterest app on your computer. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken right to your home feed. Now, look to the left side menu and find the gear icon. This is your gateway to all the settings that control your Pinterest experience. Click on it, and this will open up your account settings. Once you're inside settings, you'll see various options to customize your account. The next place to go is the Privacy and Data section. This is where Pinterest organizes all the controls related to how your data is used and shared. Click on Privacy and Data to proceed. Here's the key step. Look for the option labeled Ads Off Pinterest. By default, this option may be checked, which means Pinterest is allowed to share some of your information with their partners to show you personalized ads. To enhance your privacy, simply uncheck this box. This small change will stop Pinterest from sharing your data with external ad partners, giving you more control over what personal information is shared. After unchecking the box, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the bottom of the page or near the option itself. Click Save to ensure your preference is updated and your privacy settings take effect, and that's it. By following these straightforward steps, opening the app, navigating to settings, entering privacy and data, unchecking ads off Pinterest, and saving your changes, you'll significantly limit the sharing of your personal information on Pinterest. This helps create a safer and more private browsing experience. Remember, staying on top of these settings is a great habit, especially as apps frequently update their privacy policies. Take a moment every now and then to review your settings and make sure your information is protected the way you want it. Thanks for watching.